Greetings and welcome back to Handshake. In today's video, we will be covering how to upload a document such as a resume, cover letter, or writing sample to your profile in Handshake. From your profile, you can either click on the green Manage Documents button located in the Document section of your profile, or simply click on your name in the top menu and select Documents from the drop-down menu. Both will take you to the same page. From this page, click on the blue Add New Document button. A window will pop up allowing you to either upload a document from your computer or drag and drop a document in the provided field. I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Once you've added your document, you must give your document a name, as well as select the document type. Now you can click the blue Add Document button, and the document will appear in your list of documents according to the type of document you've uploaded. Please note it may take a few moments for the Handshake system to convert your document to PDF. If you are applying for a specific opportunity with an upcoming deadline, please include a note detailing this information so that our advisors are aware of your deadline as they are reviewing documents. These documents are reviewed daily, but we do ask that you give us at least 48 hours to provide feedback. Once your document has been approved, you will receive a notification. And that's how to upload a document to Handshake.